Welcome to today's video. Happy New Year. Today I'm going to do a quick snack. It's called DoriNachos. I learned this when I went to Mexico. You need corn, you'll need nacho cheese, jalapenos, and of course your Doritos nachos in your bowl so where you can serve it. And let's go. I'm going to warm up or sort of melted my cheese in the microwave for a few minutes. I did a 1 minute or less than that depending on your microwave. You will put your chips in their plate, making it even. You'll add your corn. This is sweet corn. You'll add your cheese after that. Make sure it's well melted. I had to melt it a little bit more later. You add your cheese. As desired, little, a lot. I like medium. I did one plate for me and then one for the hubby to taste. Now you'll add your jalapeno slices. It's better if you have them like the circles. I had slices, it doesn't matter. I still eat it. And some vinegar from the jalapenos. It's optional as well, that one, but I really recommend for you to try it. You won't regret it. Then you can add Valentina if you really want, and it's all done. Try it, please. Try something new this year. Yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. If you did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.